Hey, welcome to day number 2. So yesterday we talked about mindset a little bit and how to reprioritize your health, because by prioritizing your health, it becomes a little bit easier to kind of have not only the vision of a goal, but actually your pathway to get to that goal. So today I want to talk about just really mastering your morning. Now listen folks, if you cannot, for some reason you might do shift work and the mornings are just literally zero chance, then one, I would just argue with that and say, well, wake up a little bit earlier, right? But if the morning is just not your time, right, then you know what? You still got to get exercise in, you still got to eat well, you still got to do the things the rest of the day. So there's never an excuse. But for me, in terms of my large sample size of clients over the last 17 years, okay, is that if you can lock in a morning, by golly, if there's one aspect that someone says, what's probably the best chance of giving you the success to be kind of consistent on a more regular basis and to do so-called the tasks that you need to do for whatever goal that you have, damn it got to be your morning. And it does start the night before, because you can't just wake up at, say, 6 a.m. or something after going to bed late, because, yeah, you know how you're going to feel there, or you've been on the wine all night, and you know how much energy and motivation you're going to have off that. But the reality is you get up, you set time first to just clear your head. Don't wake up and literally just hit the ground and go or check emails. Like, allow your parasympathetic nervous system, the one that calms you, to kind of be a little bit more elevated. Right? So just literally either lying in bed or sitting up, start with some simple breathing. Who cares about if you're not into meditation? My God, like, put a timer on your phone, say, literally wake up and say, hey Siri, set timer for 90 seconds. And then literally just focus on breathing in, breathing out, right? In for 7 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, out for 7 seconds, hold for 7 seconds. This is box breathing, like basic, right? Take a glass of water when you first wake up, right? And then you want to move, right? And I don't care if that's walking with your pet, if it's literally going in nature, right? Or actually getting a yoga class or workout in, or a nice strength, high intensity workout, right? But the reality is like I tell clients, is don't just think about the current benefits of that exercise workout, meaning you burn calories, you're getting better, you're exercising, heart health, right? You're also working towards your goals. But to me, it's about, well, what happens to the rest of your day if you start off on the right foot? Well, the first meal of your day, or at least your decisions thereafter that relate back to your health and fitness, you have a better chance because you feel that sense of a little bit like, I don't want to let myself down. I just got up early. I just worked out. So do I want to waste my workout? I'm not saying that all the rest of your nutrition choices for the rest of the day after working out in the morning are going to be, perfect every day. Like, come on. But you are giving yourself that little bit of a mood boost that comes with obviously exercising. And then you are like, okay, I'm going to start now. It's just what we call goal stacking. So now you started well with breathing, you got some water, maybe you did a cold shower, and then you exercised or just went for a walk. It's like you're stacking these great positive habits to build momentum. And obviously this kind of day is about, motivation and momentum and strength. Well, that's the thing, is that you become more resilient because you're getting up at a time that you said you would, you're keeping your promise of being active, and you're literally recharging your body. You're giving yourself the best energy, not coffee, not synthetic energy. Right? Water is going to literally give you some great energy. Obviously, if you had a great night's sleep, is going to give you the most energy, and your hormones are going to be better regulated. You're going to have better control of your cravings and appetite when you get good quality sleep. But then your metabolism really revs up because you just exercised. And hopefully you can finish that off with a good meal. And as you'll see in tomorrow's video, it's not necessarily about having the meal right after. If you want, that's awesome. Or prolong your first meal, as we'll talk about. And obviously the choices that go within that meal are going to be absolutely key. But that's how you really set your mind up for clear focus, high energy, great productivity, and to be that leader that you want to believe. So again, you got to think about the morning movement, what you're going to do. Plan it the night before. Don't leave it up to chance in the morning. Plan it the night before. Get it in. It doesn't need to be an hour. It could be literally 15 minutes, right? Up to maybe an hour. But if you want to start with maybe 10 or 15 minute walk, then start with that and then progress as you see fit. It's all about your availability. I hope this helps. See you tomorrow.